Hello plant people, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since I made any planting content, so today I thought I will make this video on one of my favorite plant, that is Sinningia leucotricha. Now this plant has this beautiful leaves which are fuzzy, and it also has a codex. It gives beautiful orange blooms during spring, and by winter it sheds off all of its leaves, and slowly small leaves come up during the springtime, or say by early February or January. And by April also you'll see orange blooms which are very beautiful, and the leaves stay on till the end of November or December. It is very rewarding in terms of if you like succulent plants. I think this is one very rewarding plant, and it's easy, so to say, if you can control the watering. During the non-growing season you should control the watering, and during the growth season I water it regularly. And yeah, it's in a terracotta pot and it's doing well. So that was it, guys. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already.